famous Goan Recheado Masala, which is generally used with pomfret or prawns. But because of the lockdown, I didn't have any access to fish, so I came up with this recipe using some boiled potatoes. I've included that recipe in this video. So this Recheado Masala is a lovely mix of different spices that we generally have in our kitchen, and it also has a very long shelf life, so you can store it in your refrigerator for almost a month and use it whenever you require. Now in this masala, the main thing is that there is no water used and only vinegar is used in this recipe. Now to get a better flavor, what I've done is I've taken my dried red chilies and soaked them in some vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes. That really infuses the flavor into the vinegar, and it also softens up the chili so that you get a nice smooth paste. Now in Recheado Masala there are two variations. That is, some people use onion in their Recheado Masala and some people don't. Now I am following my mom's recipe, and my mom used to use an onion. Of course, we used to just take the shortcut method and fry the onion. That's what I've done in today's recipe. But you can also roast your onion. Just apply a little bit of oil on your onion, and then just keep it on a stand on top of your gas flame and roast it like you would with a brinjal. So that's also one way of enhancing the flavor of this masala. But I'm just going with the quicker method of just lightly frying the onion. Now if you don't like the flavor of onion, and if traditionally you don't use onion, then you can just skip the onion, whereas the other ingredients remain the same for all Recheado masalas. But the onion is like, some people do use it, some people don't. So I have gone ahead and used it. So friends, let's go to my kitchen and make today's Recheado masala and Recheado potatoes. Also at the end of the video you'll see 4 boxes with different recipes, so if you're interested in watching any of the recipes, just click on them. Also in between the recipe you'll see something just sliding up on the screen. You can even click on that. That also has a recipe link. So let's start with today's Recheado masala then. So let's start with today's Recheado masala. Now these are a few ingredients. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. These are some dried red chilies that I've soaked in about a quarter cup of vinegar, a few cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger. These are a few cloves with half an inch of cinnamon, about 10 peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. This is a small, half a tablespoon of tamarind just soaked in some water, 1 onion which I've sliced finely, some salt to taste. Now I'm just going to lightly fry the onions in about half a tablespoon of oil and set the onions aside. Then I'm just going to take my mixer pot and I'm going to add my ginger, garlic, all of the whole spices, the fried onion, the peppercorns, my cumin seeds. I've squeezed out the tamarind and just retained the pulp, so I'm going to add that too. Then we're going to add the dried red chilies which we had soaked in some vinegar. Then I've just strained the vinegar with taking off all the seeds. Then I've added some salt, and I'm going to add my turmeric powder too. Then a little pinch of sugar, and I'm just going to grind this to a really fine paste. Remember, no water has to be added at all. And that's it friends, our Recheado masala is all ready. Now I'm just going to show you how I made these Recheado potatoes. I just had some boiled potatoes in the refrigerator, which I just boiled the night before. Now I didn't make them very soft, so they are like a little bit firm. I just took some rice flour and a mixture of fine rava or semolina. I just coated the boiled potatoes on one side with the Recheado lightly. It is a little spicy, so depending on your spice level. And I kept some oil for heating for shallow frying these. And then after applying the Recheado Masala on one side, I just dipped it onto the flour and rava mixture. I applied the Recheado on the other side, and then I just turned it and again coated it with the rice and semolina paste. And I just put it into into the pan and just shallow fried it. It was nice and golden brown. So it's as simple as that. I've seen some recipes where people even take lady fingers or bindi and slice it up in the middle and then add this Recheado Masala again, coat it with some rice flour and semolina and fry it. That also would taste yummy, I guess. I could try it out when I get my hands on some lady fingers or bindi. Now this is a short and sweet recipe, and after that they turn out so amazing and they go really well with some rice and dal. So friends, I hope you like today's Indian dessert of booty halwa. It's super simple, isn't it? So I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. So both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.